Okay, so this is going to be a cool video about fireworks. And watch, I can have the flat and off during this video. So, you can see everything. I don't need the flashlight because we're going to set it up on this thing. And this is going to be some cool fireworks. I think we should put it right here, because you can't see anything. Scared me. I lit something.
This is a big one now, Ethan.
Uh-oh. I lit it! Wow! I lit something! Oh no! I'll say, can you? Oh my. I ran out of juice, Dad. It won't work. Let's see. Go ahead and light it.
I'm not standing around it. So what if it don't go up?
Oh! I thought it was going to go up in the air.
Right.
I wasn't expecting that. You're dead! Alright, so I'm gonna light this one. Where's the wick? Wow!
Step back.
Step back. Step back. Ah! Oh, Sarah, can you light a fire on your house and destroy your village? Oh my god! It's popping! Ah! Oh, the smoke is flying toward me.
Perfect.
Yours is knocked over.
No, it's not.
Ah! I wasn't really expecting much from those. Tell me when you light it. You gonna light it? Oh! I'm going back. Mr. Crackles! Yay!
Okay, go mine. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oop.
It's alright, I got something.
Ah! They're gonna mix!
Yeah.
Woo! Oh! They're trying to race to get the biggest explosions! They always pop. That one didn't really last very long.
Bang! That's gonna be the big one, even. That's gonna pop a lot.
Yeah, I know. I'm just eventually waiting for it to happen. Oh!
That's cool.
I hate that noise. Whoop, whoop, no. Whoop, 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 no. Sounds like a nugget. Yay!
Big one, that should be nice. Plastic.
Okay.
Explodes.
Pew! Oh, that is pretty.
That's a nice color.
It's like flying everywhere.
That's cool. That orange?
Oh, that's kind of pretty.
Nice color.
Yeah, I like the green at the first part. I think it's a sparkly colors on it. I don't know. All right, and for the last one of the day, we're lighting both of them at the same time. I don't know how this is gonna work. I can't get it to light.
Squeeze it.
It's not working. Okay, you're gonna do both of them? Use it. Mine isn't working anymore. You go. You go, girls. Come on. Light it. Hurry. Light it. Light it. Oh, light it. Run. Whoa. That's it.